Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to send a proposal on Upwork. First, log into your Upwork account and go to the Find Work section. Browse or search for a job that matches your skills. Click on the job title to view its details. If you're interested, click on the Submit a Proposal button. Fill in the required details, including your hourly rate or fixed price. Write a compelling cover letter explaining why you're the best fit for the job. Attach any relevant files or samples if needed. Finally, click Submit Proposal to send it to the client. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.